1. Black pair of pants. Let's kick off your full transformation with a killer pair of black pants. They're like your secret style weapon, versatile enough to rock at any event while giving you that modern and sophisticated edge. Black goes with absolutely everything. The main thing is not to make a mistake with the fit. 2. Tobacco fragrance. Now let's talk about scent. Choosing a tobacco-based fragrance is like adding a dash of charm to your autumn outfits. It's the kind of scent that makes people lean in a bit closer, perfect for those cozy fall evenings. There are many cool tobacco bottles like Dolce & Gabbana, the one from the Basic, and Parfums de Marly Herod from the Niche. 3. Grow out your hair. Embrace change this season by growing out your hair. Experiment with different styles to find one that suits your face shape and personality. Longer locks can give you that effortlessly cool look. 4. Good jacket. Time to keep warm and look sharp with a good jacket. Whether you opt for a classic suede jacket or a tailored wool coat, this essential piece not only shields you from the chill, but also makes a style statement. My key advice: choose minimalism without logos or prints on the jacket. 5. Leather boots. When it comes to footwear, leather boots are your go-to. They add a touch of rugged elegance to your outfit, making you stand out in the autumn crowd. If you are a skinny guy, you can choose Chelsea's. And if you are bulkier, then high lace-up boots anyway. A man in good leather boots looks 100 times better. 6. Jeans. Don't forget about jeans, your trusty sidekick for a casual yet classic look. They're comfy, versatile, and perfect for the crisp fall weather. Choose black or dark blue. 7. Keep clothes fresh. Maintain your wardrobe with care. Regularly wash and store your clothes properly to keep them looking and smelling fresh. After all, nothing boosts your confidence like wearing clean, well-maintained outfits. 8. Add accessories. It's all in the details. Elevate your style with a thin bracelet, a leather belt, or maybe a stylish hat. These little touches reflect your personality and can make a big impact on your overall look. 9. Walk more. Take advantage of the beautiful fall scenery by incorporating more walks into your routine. It's not just about staying active. It's also a chance to clear your mind and appreciate the changing seasons. Fall is the most comfortable season for walking. 10. Read books. Lastly, let's not forget about personal growth. Reading is like feeding your mind and soul. It not only makes you smarter, but also gives you interesting topics to discuss and share with others.